What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to really, kind of emphasize to stop looking for more. Okay. As a futures trader, as a prop firm trader, as someone who's trying to get funded, as someone who's trying to take potential payouts from these prop firms, I think, and again, this is just from 13 years of experience trading, I think people are looking for too much, meaning you're too bored, you're too excited. You think that every day is going to be mystical and whimsical and magical, and it's just not that way. So what exactly am I talking about? What I'm talking about is maybe narrowing down the focus of interest. Instead of taking 3, 4, 5 different strategy entries to take a trade short or long on the day, maybe focus on 1 or 2. Instead of taking 5 trades on the day, maybe focus on 2 or 3. Instead of trying to make $1,000 on the day, how about you just try to make $100 for the next 5-10 days, right? Start breaking things up on a day-by-day basis versus I've got to get it all done today, okay? Stop looking for more, because I think a lot of times looking for more is actually what's hurting you and causing you to lose and blow up accounts. What I mean by this is a lot of times I see a lot of traders who have a great day today, a great day tomorrow, and then maybe the third day starts off with the loser, and then now they're chasing some red, and then everything spirals, and what they did for the previous 2 to 3 days all gets wiped away because the emotions weren't handled. I think you need to move the finish line farther in terms of if the prop firm you're trading with only requires 5 days to get a payout, or 8 days to get a payout, how about you tell yourself, maybe I should just try to get a payout within 30 days. Actually put double the amount of time, triple the amount of time that it should take you to get payouts. Okay? So with that being said, I think everyone needs to focus on 1 or 2 entry models, really put some size behind the trade that you can handle. And if you actually win the trade, you can just stop trading, right? So with that being said, I'll give you one of my strategies, the 20 SMA strategy. Today is the 11th of February. This was an 80-point candle off the open. Okay, big candle, sure. Could it pull back? Absolutely. But this 80-point candle is also telling you that there's a lot of momentum behind this move for potential continuation, correct? So now that we all can agree on that, what about if you said, well, let me go ahead and play 2 mini contracts and let me give myself a 10, 15-point stop loss and let me look for 10 to 15 points. If you're playing 2 mini contracts, you're looking for upwards of a $400 to $500 trade. I think many of us would be very, very happy walking away within the first 10 minutes of the market with $400 or $500 in our pockets. That's exactly what happens here. Shoots up 80 points, gives you a strong 20 SMA play here. You put a stop buy here. You have a bracket for a 10 to 15 point stop loss. The choice is yours. Let's do something in the middle and say 13 point stop loss. And we have a hard take profit of anything over 10 points. Okay, anything over 10 points. You would have got it literally on the next 5-minute candle. Wash your hands, day's done. Well, D, what about all of this? What about this? And what about all of this grind into the close? My question to you is, what about it? What about it? Means nothing to you when you already made $500 on the day. Means nothing to you. But the problem with many people is they think, well, what do I do next? What do I do next? What you do next is learn how to control yourself so you're not always wondering, what do I do next? So you're not always wondering and anxious about where's the next setup going to be? When do I need to go long again? How can I get back into the same move? And for a lot of people, guess what? The move was here. The move was here off the open. If you're looking for trades here, you're looking for trades here, you're looking for trades here, you're already late. There, you missed the move, buddy. Like you are 100 points late. You're looking for a long here. Well, it's a 30-minute opening range. I don't give a shit. You're 100 points late. The move was here. Some people don't want to accept that. Well, I was looking for the 30-minute opening range. I don't give a shit if you're looking for the 42-minute opening range. The move started here. How do you know that the move started there? Because it's an 80-point candle off the bell that just screams to the upside and takes out the most recent swing high. The move started here. Whether you're taking a legitimate 30-minute opening range trade or a 15-minute opening range trade or some type of continuation, doesn't really matter. All you're doing is playing continuation. Your move was here. So you have to tell yourself, if the move started here and I'm taking trades here, 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 what are the probabilities that I'm going to continue to win? Might be slim to none, because you could get wicked in here on a new high of day and pulls back on you. You can get wicked in here and it pulls back on you and get stopped out. So just find and narrow down the focus. Find maybe one trade or two trades a day. Hammer them with some size. And if you win the trade, walk away on the day. Practice self-control, allow the days to stack up, get those payouts, because at the end of the day, that's the only thing that really matters is getting paid out. Does you no good to look back and see 20 eval accounts that all made $2,000 each if you can't pull any of that money out anyways. What's actually going to take you to getting to payout? And I believe that's taking less trades. I believe that's looking for better trade opportunities and actually having conviction on that trade to hold it and ride it and get profit and get out and move along with your day. Go pick up a hobby, go work out, go fishing, go for a walk, take the dog out for a walk, take the wife out for a walk, take the husband out for a walk. Do whatever you need to do to get off of the screens. Because realistically, many of you guys are overtrading, and that's probably the number one big problem that you have. Control the overtrading, control the boredom, and you're going to do much better. With that being said, if you guys need Apex evaluation accounts, use code DANTHONY. That link is down in the description box below. Also, if you guys want to join and trade with the community inside of Evolution Traders, that link is also down in the description box below. I will see all of you guys on the next video.